If you are still looking for a scalping strategy that is easy to use and highly profitable, then you can use this strategy. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In this video, we will discuss a scalping strategy that uses the breakout trading strategy. Where the trading strategy using the breakout method is one of the most popular trading strategies among traders. You can use this breakout trading strategy on various assets, including Forex, gold, crypto, stocks, and many other assets. Additionally, breakout trading also works well on almost all time frames. That is why, besides being suitable for scalping, this trading strategy can also be used for day trading, intraday, and swing trading. Let's get started. If you want to use this breakout trading strategy, you can go to Tradingview. After that, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type Pivot Point Supertrend. Then, simply select the Pivot Point Supertrend indicator by Lonesome the Blue. Next, adjust the settings for the Pivot Point Supertrend indicator. Go to the Input tab and configure the settings as follows. Set the pivot point period value to 30. Set the ATR factor value to 5. Set the ATR period value to 14. Uncheck the option Show Buy Sell labels. Enable the option Show Support Resistance. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck all options except for the last two plots. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. We will use the Pivot Point Supertrend indicator as a guide to identify support and resistance areas in the market. The green line will indicate the support area, while the red line will indicate the resistance area. If the price candlestick manages to break out above the resistance area, your main focus is to place a buy order. On the other hand, if the price candlestick manages to break out below the support area, your main focus is to place a sell order. However, before placing a buy or sell order, you must first confirm the breakout signal that appears. Now, add the second indicator that will be used as a trend guide in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Colored Moving Average. Then, simply select the Colored Moving Average indicator by TradeStation. Next, adjust the settings for the Colored Moving Average indicator. Change the moving average length to 200. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The Colored Moving Average indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the moving average line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. If the moving average line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. To complete this breakout trading strategy, now add one more indicator that will be used to confirm the signals that appear. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Vervoort Heikin Ashi Long-Term Candlestick Oscillator. Then, simply select the Vervoort Heikin Ashi Long-Term Candlestick Oscillator indicator by Lazy Bear. This Vervoort Heikin Ashi Long-Term Candlestick Oscillator indicator will be used as a signal confirmation filter in the market. If the Vervoort Heikin Ashi bars are green, it is a bullish confirmation signal. If the Vervoort Heikin Ashi bars are red, it is a bearish confirmation signal. If the Vervoort Heikin Ashi bars do not show any confirmation bars, it means there is no confirmation in the market. For a clearer understanding, let's now discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this breakout trading strategy. How to place a buy order. If the Pivot Point Supertrend indicator has already marked the support and resistance lines, the first step is to draw a guideline following the support and resistance levels. Then, wait until the price candlestick breaks out above the resistance area. If the price candlestick successfully breaks out above the resistance line, ensure that the colored moving average indicator shows a bullish trend. Confirm that the Vervoort Heikin Ashi indicator also shows a bullish confirmation signal. As the final confirmation, make sure that the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the last low. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the Pivot Point Supertrend indicator has already marked the support and resistance lines, the first step is to draw a guideline following the support and resistance levels. Then, wait until the price candlestick breaks out below the support area. If the price candlestick successfully breaks out below the support line, ensure that the colored moving average indicator shows a bearish trend. Confirm that the Vervoort Heikin Ashi indicator also shows a bearish confirmation signal. As the final confirmation, make sure that the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the last high. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your own money management. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.